how to fix SIB mobile payment / transfer failed error. First, if you're having any kinds of errors while making transactions, you might want to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and actually connected to a secure network. By doing so, if you are connected to a network that is actually working, you shouldn't be having any problem regarding your transaction error. However, if there are any other factors that affecting the transactions, you might want to navigate yourself to the SIB application, tap and hold on to the app and tap on app info. Click on storage and cache, and here you want to clear your cache from here, and if you want you can also clear your storage by deleting some files, and the next time you open the app you shouldn't be facing the issues. However, if there's still some issues, you can uninstall the app and install it again. What you can also do is you can restart your device once and open the app again, because sometimes the application is not the fault and it might be your device problem as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.